Hey, Mike down here, Mike's Off-Road. Down the shop 2 down here, working on my project Jeep. You remember, this was quite a while ago. You got some pictures of it. You scroll yourself back and you'll see some pre-pictures of the Jeep. We got it in paint now, we're in final assembly. Did the bedliner, we did bedline the whole inside, just in assembly of everything at this point. All right, and up front here, we've got GM 350. It's throttle body set up out of an 88 Chevy truck. Worked out fantastic. Everything's mounted just in assembly right now, new aluminum radiator. We're just changing everything out on this, going through it ground up. So everything's looking good. Over on this side, we're just actually installing steering. I've got my steering shaft in, install steering, install the column. We're just in the final stages of assembly here. And once we get everything done under the hood, we'll go to the dash and replace everything on the dash with all new stuff. So it should come out pretty nice. Back to the side of the Jeep, we're in final assembly. We're gonna do wheels and tires still. If you need anything done down at Mike's Off-Road, just come on down. We do all kinds of accessory stuff. You get a chance, come on down to more racing, Montana Off-Road Extreme in Billings. Got the track over there. We're doing mud drags on Saturday, so come on down. We'd love to see you there. Check out our website. We got a full dates all summer long. We got 10 more dates going on. We got mud drags. We got short course Baja. Come on down, check it out at moreraces.com.